पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट टीम के हेड कोच माइक हैसन ने एशिया कप के पाक भारत मैच में भारतीय खिलाड़ियों के रवैये और मैच के बाद हाथ न मिलाने पर मायूसी का इजहार किया है और कहा है कि पाकिस्तान टीम हाथ मिलाने के लिए तैयार थी।
Well, look, obviously we were ready to shake hands at the end of the game. We obviously were disappointed that our opposition didn't do that. We sort of went over there to shake hands, and they'd already gone into the changing room. So that was a disappointing way, obviously, for the match to finish, and a match that we were, disappointed the way we played, but certainly were willing to go and shake hands.
Mike, after post-match presentation, we didn't see Salman Ali Agha. There is any specific reason?
I think it's just a flow-on effect of the fact that we were obviously keen to engage and shake hands at the end of the match. That didn't happen.